In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi limited connection on Google TV. So if you have this issue, come closer and let's get into the video. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. DaveTech is here with another banging tutorial. So I'm going to take you step by step. We're going to go over quick settings. Up on the top of the screen, we're going to go down to Wi-Fi. So click on Wi-Fi and it should take you right to this page. So right here, you can find different connections. You may have a connection and you're trying to connect to it and it says limited connection when you connect. So that's a very common problem. And the cause of it is because you have your date and time improperly set. So let's solve that issue and come back here. So go back, go to quick settings, navigate to all settings. And you're going to be looking for date and time. So scroll down until you find system. Under system, click on it to get in and navigate to date and time. Now I want you to make sure on this first option that says automatic date and time, use the network provider's time. Click on this and make sure it's turned on. So click on use network provider's time. If this option is turned off, you want to turn it on. That would allow you to use network provider's time. And if you use network provider's time, and make sure back here you're on the correct time zone, that will solve that issue. So try to change that, come back and go back to Wi-Fi. So go back to the network and internet settings, turn it off, turn off the Wi-Fi, and then turn it back on. Then reconnect to that provider or that Wi-Fi box or that hotspot, whatever Wi-Fi signal you're trying to connect to that will show in limited connection. Connect to it and you should see it change from limited connection to connected. So that's been it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content like this.